I'm Christy and this is Created by Christy. Today we're going to do something I've never done before, which is create a balloon art piece to decorate for my son's birthday. So I have got my trusty electric balloon pump here and an assortment of balloons. I've got some 9-inch and mostly 12-inch to make the garland with. So I'm gonna get blowing those up and we'll see what happens. Okay, so I have blown up a whole bunch of balloons. I have tied them together in sets of 2. So the next thing that I'm going to do is take 2 sets of 2 and twist them together to form a quad. So that's the next step. Okay, so once I have my quad formed, I'm going to then take the ribbon, loop it around all of the balloons, and then I am going to tie it several times. Once I have that tied, I will then take my next set, loop it around, get it tight down in there, and continue as I build my chain. So I have my first chain. You can see I just don't want to have it too big so that I can't work with it. So I'm going to go ahead and tie this one off and then move on to the second chain. Okay, so now I have 4 giant bunches of balloons and I am going to string them together and see what happens. So now that I have the basic structure built, I'm gonna blow up some smaller balloons to place around to kind of fill in the spots. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was my first time struggling through this, so maybe you learned something, maybe didn't, but I hope you had fun along the way. Thanks for watching. Continue to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.